Hello everyone, my name is Samira Gonzalez and this is my Week 7 discussion board for MPA 585, Political Economy. This week's presentation will identify and discuss three methods of tax avoidance, explain how they work and how they reduce taxpayers' tax liability. And then I will provide my opinion on if I see these methods used in people around me. Tax avoidance is defined as a legal method used by taxpayers to minimize the amount of income taxes owed. There are three methods in which I will describe in this actual presentation. The first is a tax credit. A tax credit is a dollar-for-dollar reduction on income. The credit can reduce the amount of taxes owed or income or increases the individual's tax refund. An example is a earned income credit. The next is a tax deduction, and a tax deduction lowers a person's liability by reducing taxable income. Because the deduction lowers one's income, it lowers the amount of taxes owed because it decreases the taxable income. An example of this is like child tax credits or child and dependent care tax credits. The third method is income exclusion, and this is where you set aside certain income as non-taxable, and from a liability standpoint, it reduces the amount of money filed as gross income, which reduces the amount of taxes owed in the year. And an example of this could be something like child support. In conclusion, tax avoidance helps individuals and entities adopt legal ways to avoid their tax liabilities. There are methods such as tax credits, deductions, as well as income exclusions that are used to assist individuals with avoiding their tax liabilities. Some of the common items I've seen across the board is a deduction in their for example, their dependent care, the number of children that they have, what they place on their actual W-2 forms. Also, one of the latest avenues I've seen is when it pertains to the stimulus checks that were handed out for individuals impacted by COVID. The individual may adjust their actual non-taxable earnings to offset the difference or the amount that they receive from their stimulus check to ultimately have a net zero towards the end of the year when it comes to filing taxes, or to where they're not having to pay back a lot of taxes. Concludes my Week 7 presentation. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.